Hello all, Ankit this side. In this video, we are going to learn about how to install VNC Viewer. First of all, to install VNC Viewer, we need to download. So just search on Google, download VNC Viewer. Now, when I search on Google download VNC Viewer, the first website which we are getting here, just click on that website. And it supports these operating systems for your desktop. And if you're using mobile, it supports iOS and Android also. So we're just going to learn about how to install on desktop, and I'm using Windows-based operating system. So select Windows and click on download real VNC Viewer and just save that particular exe file somewhere in your system. That's taking some time. Yeah. So I'm able to download, and here is the one we have down. So double click on it. Just select the language as English, or if you want to select any other language, you can select that also. Click on OK. Now just click on Next. Accept the terms. If you want to read, you can read the terms and conditions also. Next, next, and then click on Install. After that, just click on Yes. And here we have downloaded the VNC Viewer and install also after downloading. And you can see here, we will see our VNC Viewer here. It is still taking time to display here. Here. So here I'm able to see the VNC. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.